So I'm going to make a vessel using this rib, which I don't know a potter who doesn't own this rib. It's like one of those beginning tools. Here we go. Two and a half pounds of clay. I'm going to make a nice tall cylinder with just a little turn inward and leaving a little, just a little bit of added thickness to the wall. Spend that little time compressing the floor. All right. Just pulling this wall up with just a slight inward motion. Let's use very little water because we're going to really manipulate this clay and it's going to be a lot of fun. Lighten up the pull when you get to that top last 2 inches, 1.5 inches. We tend to over pull up there. Setting up that pull again, pushing the clay out just a little bit, and up I go. Lightening up my pull a little bit right there. Not even gonna finish it up. Give it a little choke. Push out just a little bit more, and up I go. This is my final pull. All the way to the top. Okay, now, let me go ahead and clean that up. I'm going to take a minute and clean this edges up. Get rid of any of those little small, almost undetectable throwing rings. Okay. Here's our trusty tool. I'm going to take it and I'm just going to find an edge right there and push in until the whole edge is against this edge of the tool. Can you see that? And then I'm going to go up to the next one and push in towards the top until it's totally against the tool. You see that? And I'm going to do it here. Now, one of the reasons I can get away with this is because I throw with very little water. If this was just super wet clay and gummy, it wouldn't behave like this. I've got it flat across. Now I'm pushing the top edge in. And right now I have a little collar at the top, but I think I'll just give it a push inward. I have to choke it. Let me try choking it. Choke it in and then create the edge. So I want that edge right there. Okay, there's my cylinder with my edges. I've got a beautiful amount of weight for the top. I'm going to do one of these beveled rims to the inside, so I have a kind of an infinity look on the outside, but I'm not going to let it be sharp because I don't want it to easily chip. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to come up under and the bottom and do an undercut, just like that. Remove this clay away. Clean up just a touch. So now it's just a simple circular cylinder, but I'm going to come to the edge and push out just a little bit and move straight up, giving it a little tug at the top. I'm going to go directly across to the other side, out, same amount of pressure coming up, little jig. And there it is. I'm a little off on this side, so I'm going to come back up again and move it over just a little bit, and there I've corrected it. Okay, I'm going to take my trusty little chamois and hold my rim nice like that. And I think I'm going to swell it a little bit, which means I'm just going to take my hand and push it out just a touch. Did you see that? And I'm going to go to the other side and push it out. Don't forget, you can do whatever you want. Just a touch. And there it is. Little cleanup on the rim. I like this pot a lot. And cut it loose. There it is. Look at that. Really nice. Oval. Yeah, that's nice. Very contemporary. Now you do it.